Hey, let's look at how to graph a line that is in point-slope form. So let's remember, point-slope form is this form right here, and it's when you have a point x1, y1. We know what that point is. We know what the x value and the y value of that point are, and we know what the slope is. Then we can put it in this format. Y minus the y value of our point equals the slope times x minus the x value of our point. So what we can do is we can look at the equation over here and figure out what our slope and what our point is. The easiest one to pick out right away is probably the slope. So it's just the number multiplied by the x group. So my slope is 2. So that's important. And I need to find out what my point is. So let's see, x plus 3 is the same as x minus negative 3. And then we have y minus 2 over here. So that tells me that my x1 is, so I got x minus x1, x minus negative 3. So my x1 is negative 3. And my y1, y minus y1, y minus 2. My y1 is 2. So I have a point, negative 3, 2, and a slope equal to 2, which is up 2, right 1, rise over run. So what I'm going to do is I am going to plot this point on my graph. Negative 3, 2. You start from the origin and you count left 3 to go negative 3, up 2. And there's my point, and I'm going to label the coordinates. Then I'm going to use my slope information. From this point that I know is on the line, I'm going to go up 2 to the right 1. So up 2 to the right 1. Ding, and now I'm at the point negative 2, 4. So when we're counting the slope, when we're trying to find another point on the line, we count our slope from a point that we already know is on the line. Up 2 over 1. When we're naming a point, when we're writing its coordinates, we have to count from the origin. So the first point, its name comes from the origin. Negative 3, 2. Left 3, up 2. This point is from the origin, negative 2, up 4. Now I can continue to use this slope to count off some more points. Rise over run, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, ding. And up 2 to the right 1 is the same thing as negative 2 over negative 1, which would be down 2 and left 1. Down 2, left 1, ding. See how that lines up? From this point on the line, down 2, left 1, ding. Down 2, left 1, down 2, left 1. Now I got plenty of points, so I know exactly where my line is supposed to go. So I'm going to grab my handy ruler. I'm going to draw my line. Then I'm going to put away my handy ruler. And now I'm done graphing y minus 2 equals 2 times x plus 3. So we found our point. We used our slope to go from that point on the line to find another point on that line. And that's how you do it. Bada bing, bada boom. Talk to you later.